IVM.
Welcome to Paisa Vaisa with Anupam Gupta. This show is a way to help you navigate through the world of money, where to save, how to earn, what to invest in. All you have to do is ask.
Folks, welcome to Paisa Vaisa. This is your host Anupam Gupta, B50 on Twitter. And this is a Thursday episode where we take listener questions. And this week, a listener asks us, what exactly is stock trading? How is it different from investing? And, how do I go about learning more about this? Well, stock trading is fundamentally different from stock investing. Although the aim in both of these cases is to make a profit by buying low and selling high. But in trading, you buy and sell in a much more shorter time frame with a very different objective. So you can buy a stock, say, based on your hopes that the quarterly result will be very good, and if the stock price does go up, you make a profit. You buy it a few days before, sell it a few days after. And if your trade works, you make a profit, or you could go short, all that kind of stuff. Investing, on the other hand, is slightly more long-term. It involves a lot of your risk return objectives and figuring out stuff like large cap, mid cap, mutual funds and direct equity and all. Stock trading is purely buying and selling of stocks. It could be in the cash market. It could be in futures market, what we call the F&O market, futures and options. So that is a fundamental difference between stock trading and stock investing. Stock trading is typically for a much more shorter period. It is much more volatile, much more risky than investing, which is typically done over the longer term. So that's more or less the difference. What do you need to start? Well, the same that you need for investing, that if you're going to buy a stock, you're going to need a brokerage account. You're going to need a demat account, so you can open your account with a broker, and then you can figure that out. So that's the difference between stock trading and stock investing. To know more about this, listen to our podcast with Nitin Kamath of Zerodha, which plays, we have a 3-part series going on, and you can check out our website or download the IVM podcast app. Thank you for listening.
Thanks so much for listening. That was Anupam Gupta on Paisa Vaisa. If you have any money-related questions, you can tweet to us at IVM Podcasts or email us at paisavaisa@indusvox.com. No material on the show should be considered as financial advice. The material on the show is for informational purposes only. Please consult a financial advisor before taking any investment decision.
As you can see, we have a podcast listener in his natural habitat. Billions of years of evolution have led him to this point. He's on his way to work, and listening to podcasts makes his miserable day better. He will now head to work and use all his knowledge to communicate with other colleagues and possibly future mates. You can find more of his species on ivmpodcasts.com, your one-stop destination where you can check out all the coolest Indian podcasts. Happy listening.